I hope you are just as excited as I am. So let's get into it.
So I'm going to first define what a number bond is. So a number bond shows how numbers join together. It shows me the bond, sorry about that, zoom in, the bond that two numbers make to create the bigger number. And it also shows, it's also known as, these bonds are also known as number pairs. Number pairs because they show us which two numbers come together to make a certain number. Okay, so let's look at the parts of a number bond. Please don't be alarmed. Sometimes it can come in circles, sometimes it can come in squares. So the important thing is to know what goes where. So we firstly have a whole being the bigger number that you're going to get if you add the two numbers. Remember, we're dealing with addition at the moment. Okay, so the whole is the number you get when you put these two numbers together. It goes there. Then we have a part and a part. So the parts basically refer to the two numbers that make up the number, which is the whole number. So we usually find that different number pairs can come together to form the same number. Sometimes it's about 4 pairs that can make up one number. So we're going to start by working on our math with concrete representations. Sorry about that. And then we'll move on to pictorial and abstract. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just want to mention that it's quarantine and I'm at my sister's place, so I'm just going to be using manipulatives that are not really the same, not the material that I have back in my place, so please bear with me. Okay, so like we just mentioned, in a number bond we have a whole, a part, and another part, okay, which come together to make the number that would be the whole number. So in front of me I have a bunch of manipulatives. So it's just tiny things that I found around the house that belong to my niece, and I'm going to use them as my concrete representation. So let's say we are making the number 5. Okay, so I'll take 5 manipulatives and put them in the whole part. Okay, so I'll just put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I think, how can I make a 5? How can I take this apart to still make a 5? I can say 1 here in part and 4 in another part. So that would be 1 and 4 can be the first combination that makes a 5. So here I'd have a 4, oopsie, and a 1. Does it? Okay, that's the first combination I can have in making a 5. What other combinations are there? Okay, to make a 5, I can also take 1, put it down there. Oh, now I have 3 up there. 3 and 1, 2. That's another way to make a 5. Let me think if there's another way to make a 5. Can put 4 down there and 1. 1 and 4 can also make a 5. Oopsie. What other way? Oh yes. 0, 5 and 0 can also make a 5. So that's how number bonds work. You look at the different ways you can build up to a given number. So I came up with 4